Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today, as you've seen, we'll be doing the Shaku Shaku dance. This time I do a tutorial. A lot of people have asked me to do a tutorial for Shaku Shaku dance, and I'm like, why not? So let's go on with the video. Now, initially, I want to let you know, so Shaku Shaku, there are very many varieties depending on how comfortable you are with the dance and with the main basics of the dance itself. So right now, what I'm going to teach you guys is just basically the basics. Then as you study, as you practice it, then you get more familiar with it and you'll be able to do your own variations and your own style. So initially, let's start with the first Shaku Shaku dance. Now, the first one, as you know, is just the normal one that very many people do. So you have to tap your legs as in and outside motion, in and outside motion. So then I'll be doing something like this. Ta, 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 ta. Your body has to move in the direction of your legs. So make sure if I'm going like this, my body is looking that way. If I'm going like this, my body is looking that way. You can have your neck or your head pointed towards the same direction, or you can change it because you get comfortable with it. But initially, you're going to have all of them go towards the same direction. So then to be like pa, 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 pa. The basic things are your leg movement. That's the basic thing. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, once you're comfortable with that, then you gotta use your hands. Your hands are very important when it comes to Shaku Shaku dance. Your hands are very, very important. So then, your hands are normally gonna have this form of movement. So as you go, you kind of like move with it, you know? You see that? They go like that. They go like that. Now, as you get familiar, you can have your own moves. The most popular move is having the telephone. So then, you see your body is all pointing towards the direction, but you're looking this side now. So, you know, telephone, like, you know, you're picking up a telephone, you know? That's really popular. Another one is as you go ta, 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 ta. You see? So 1, 2, 3. When I'm moving back this side, I swipe my head. Swipe my head like that. That's like the original, I would say the real Shaku Shaku, the first move. Now, there's a second move. It's basically like the first one, but here you're not moving as much. So the first one was more like that, so I was jumping around a little bit. Second one is just gonna be in the same position. My legs would be a little tightened up, so then I'll just be like It's a very calm type of dance. You know, don't use a lot of energy. Just like you're showing your friends around town. Just something small. It's the same movement. It's just that your body is in one position. You're not moving around a lot. You're in one position. So then you'd be doing Don't forget the swipe. You know, the phone call. You know. So yeah. That's kind of the second thing, more like the first thing, but it's just more of a still position. The third one that is also kind of a variety of the Shaku Shaku is, let's say you tilt your body. For this move, I'm going to tilt my body, then I'll have to, more like I'm kicking, but it's not really kicking. So it's ta, 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 ta. So when this leg goes up and comes down, this one moves up. This one comes down, this one moves up. This one comes down, this one moves up. So then it's more like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. That's the other move. Now, of course, with practice, you'll be able to get familiar with it and be able to, you become a natural, you know. So then again, the last part of the video is just, you're gonna see a lot of varieties in terms of the energy. I always tell you people, the amount of energy you put in a dance really determines how different it looks and how good it looks. So let me show you a difference. First part I'm just gonna be doing very smooth phone call. You know, that's the first one. Now, let me put in energy and you're gonna see the difference, you know. You see that? There's a lot of energy put in there and it's very different. Now, again, with the hand movement, don't forget this, you know, you're gonna be you know, don't forget the hand movement. Now, with that being said, as you get familiar with it again, you're gonna have your own rhythm, your own style. So then you can even like move your hands in the back, you know, like kind of like be creative with it, you know, be creative. That's the most important part. I feel like after you've learned the basics, try as much as possible to be creative because you're going to have your unique style and people are going to love it. If you're a person of energy, put more energy. If you're a person of just calmness, make sure it's something calm. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. That's it. Shaku Shaku tutorial. Hope you guys have learned something. Remember, you gotta practice as much as you can, and you're gonna learn. You're gonna be a pro. See you in my next tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Keep it real.